Hello and welcome to the HTC Gamers Club. My name is Daniel, and today we're going to finish off the arm support for the swings and stuff, which will be attached here. Got everything set up over here on the table. Keep me in the shade because it's pretty warm out here in California. Okay, so we can get a shot of that. This is what we're going to be building today, is the leg and support arm for the swings. Okay, so let me shoot back to the beginning of the book. Sorry. Okay. So the first page, which is step 1, this is the one we skipped over because we didn't want to build that portion of the swing set yet, is the largest of the boards, which is the support for the swings itself. We've got 2 metal brackets. I've already got pretty much assembled here, and the 2 metal brackets that go to the leg itself, which is still needs to be tightened up but in place. Just put it there to speed things up. And then we got the remainder of the legs. We will put this together after we get the lower portion of the leg itself built. Got that? Mm-hmm. Okay. So I'm going to start out with the bottom. Excuse me here. Let me make sure I got the right one. The very bottom leg, which is H80. And we'll just set this down over here, and we will get the 2 legs, which will be E77 and E77. Which will go like that, and we'll get H79, which will go pretty much like that. So we'll get that all put together real quick. And let me make sure I'm doing this correctly. Guess it doesn't really matter whether it goes inside or outside. So we'll do it outside. Okay, so this angle is to line up with this angle is to line up with this angle. And I got the pre-drilled holes, so just got to get it started and tighten it up. And it's not quite tightening up. I need him. Can you hand me the pair of pliers over there? Yeah, that'll do. I don't have my hammer out here, so I'm just going to tap this up a little bit.
Not good to use other tools for...
Yeah, well, in a pinch.
This is a very uncomfortable rock to sit on.
There we go. All right. much problem with it as we did the bottom. Yep. Great. It's always fun. Okay, so I'm gonna cheat a little bit. Don't want to beat up my
Gosh.
tool.
Pliers.
So I'm just gonna set a rock underneath it.
Caveman style here.
Yep, caveman style.
This is caveman style. Is that going in? Or just twisting? Oh, the rock's probably too, like... Oh.
There we go. And I guarantee we'll need to do the same thing to the other side. So let's just do it. Okay, got that.
There you have it, a giant triangle, or the letter A.
Okay. We need to do the vertical support now, which is W71. And we'll go in here like so.
Vertical support. Cedar wood is the best smelling wood ever.
Now I'm not going to tighten these all the way down at first because I might need to adjust a little bit for the long bolt that goes through these. So I want to get that in there first. Which, just like I thought, it's going to need to be tweaked a little bit.
Sometimes you just got to use your muscle.
Okay. Now we can tighten up these. And
Ta-da!
finished. So we may have to set up the camera on a tripod, but we're going to try not to.
Now what?
Well, let me grab the book here. I believe we're going to go ahead and attach the long bar there, but I want it to do where we was with that. Okay. Good. Two that way. Why do I have two that way?
Kitty, 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 kitty. Come here, kitty. Come here. Do you have food? Come here, kitty. Come here. Butter. Butter. Butter, go. Butter. Go play with your kitty.
So we're going to tighten up the 3 bolts that attach this large board to the mounting bracket. The angle on this board is going down at a 45-degree angle on this side only, so you know you got it on the right side.
That,
Okay, for the fun part.
okay, I'm afraid this whole piece of wood is gonna fall on me. This is kind of scary. Is that gonna break the
Hold
wood?
this just
You want me to?
just with one hand a little bit.
Like,
Just keep an eye down here.
like this.
Yep.
Okay.
Just for a minute.
For a minute. Boy, it's so nice today. It's gonna get a lot hotter this weekend. It's gonna be, or week's gonna be triple digits.
Yep.
So this breeze is super nice to be doing stuff outside. Triple digits pretty soon coming on. Gotta get this finished.
Now I'm not going to tighten up these bolts because I'm not exactly sure what they're for at the moment because I haven't read forward in the plans, but I put them there because it said to have them there. But we're going to take and stand this up.
Oh boy. Kind of looks like a cherry picker.
It's probably an accurate description, dude. And this will go right there.
You gonna bolt those together?
Yep, got to bolt it together. Let me grab my
Da-da. Oh, Crimson is gonna be so happy.
Yep.
Maybe we can finish this today and she could actually play on it. For some reason, it looks bigger on the box than in real life when you look at it.
I thought it looked pretty good size.
Yeah, it's pretty big for a 5-year-old, but she loves being in high places, so she's gonna. I just wish we had this for Justin and Ashley.
Yeah.
Because they liked climbing too. It's gonna have rock climbing, slide, swings. Tunnel. Is there? Maybe you should get on the top.
Gonna have to put those back some.
Oh shoot. That looks kind of sideways. This side over here, Dan.
It does.
Ooh, are you sure that's gonna support your weight?
Don't I'd be scared of letting
I think you need to bring this side in, yeah. Or it looks kind of.
Adjust this. Come this way.
And it looks. Bring it in.
And we'll have to loosen it up a little bit.
This is the tough part is trying to get it aligned up with the foundation being a little bit off.
I need to adjust the height of the. Where's that rock? I need to adjust the height of this on this side because it's still a little bit out of balance. There we go.
That's a lot out of balance.
That's it. We're good.
Are you gonna keep that rock under there the whole time?
No. But I will go through with shins and tighten it up. Level it out.
Tighten this side back up.
Okay guys, so at this point I'll need to do a little bit of leveling off just so that this don't tweak and break. But from this point we're going to be putting on the swing sets and the climbing tunnel and the rock wall a little bit later, but
Today?
for this video we're done. I'm going to take a little tea break and I'll catch you on the next video. Stay safe, happy gaming everybody, and by all means stop by the hccgamersclub.com, help us out with $1 or more donation. Get kids that can't afford them free repairs if at all possible. I give entries to let you in on some of my giveaways. Stay safe, happy gaming everybody.
Wait. See this screw? It's loose.
What screw?
Right there.
Yeah, so is this one. I told you I'm going to leave these loose.
Oh, okay.
Because they have other things that's supposed to be there.
Oh, okay. Okay. Goodbye,
Bye, guys.
everybody.